What's going on, guys? Been a while, but I'm back, ready to make some videos. It's kind of nice outside, so I'm gonna clean the garage. Actually, I have Shram with the red G8. He's on his way over. We are going to be installing some headers on his car today, so looking forward to doing that. But first, I have to clean this mess. So, time to clean. Peek out this window, you'll notice some snow. Being that I live in Michigan, it was actually 60. I'm recording this on Saturday. It was 60 on Thursday, and it's 34 now. It's a little cold, but it's not too bad in the garage. Next week's supposed to be 50s, so I'm hoping I can start cranking out some videos. But for now, let's get to cleaning.
Isn't there a jack pad right there?
Yeah, not that far back though.
Yeah, this is right here.
Alright, well then jack it up. Yeah.
Hey, don't record my back end.
I'm not, man.
Cause I got a hole in my pants.
No, yeah, that's just turned off. We got headers, wires, gaskets, exhaust, tips. Alright guys, so we got my boy Shram. As you saw, we got some headers to do, some spark plugs, some wires. Let's put in a new exhaust. First we're doing the headers. We're gonna get those on. If you need an install video for how to install headers, go on the channel. There's a video on it. This is not the one you're looking for, but just gonna show like a little bit of what we're doing. So, got the coil packs off, and gonna start doing the header bolts now. Nicholas is down here working on the mid pipe and then the cats. The wires are now off. Since we're putting some new ones on, I don't have to worry about those. Next, I'm gonna take out the spark plugs because he's got some new ones put in. Last bolt on the stock manifold. How to remove an O2 sensor 101. Hey. Round two. Hey. No broken knuckles.
It's my new mid pipe with connection pipes welded on. It's a Solo Street Race X pipe. It's a Kooks 1 3/4 headers.
These are used, but they weren't used for that long, so they're still good.
And only on a race car.
Yeah.
For a few seasons.
So they're ready to go fast. Now we're just gonna loosen the steering shaft and slide the new ones in. Had to take off the steering shaft right there, it disconnects at this bolt and then it just literally slides up and you're all good. Jeff, Costa.
Ah!
Shrim's trying to take off the rear O2s. You're gonna have to put that on the ground, boss.
It's 446 approximately.
Shrim's down here putting on the mid pipe. Right now I'm gonna throw on these NGK V-Power spark plugs. So let's do that real quick. All the plugs are in. Boom, boom, boom. One there and one there. So it's all 4 on each side. Now, let's grab some nice Taylor Thunderbolt wires. But first, you need this right here, dielectric grease. Here's the new wires. They're nice quality. They just dab a little bit of dielectric grease on both ends. Pop them on, good to go. Come on, mate. The one and only Kooks. Disconnecting the battery real quick. He had some troubles with some O2 sensors, so he's replacing one of them and hopefully it'll fix his problem. There's his headers we did. It's pretty much just turned into a video of working on people's exhausts, but it's super nice in Michigan. Well, if you live in Michigan, it's super nice out. It's still like only 30, 40 out, but the sun's out, so it's nice. So hopefully this weekend we can do some car activities. I was definitely going to get some work done this spring, but here's a little sneak peek. If you can figure out what goes to the rest of that, should look pretty good.
and it's gonna go off no matter what.
All right, guys. A couple days later, you just saw Shram's car leave. Still got the exhaust shop going here. Got Austin over. We're gonna do a little exhaust work on his now. He took out his mufflers and going straight pipe. So he put that flex piping on, and that only lasts for so long. So he went to the local auto parts store and bought some nice new pipes, and we're gonna throw those on to there.
Are you fucking kidding me?
That's why I bought them.
Because they snap?
Yep.
Hey. We replaced, if you remember the flex pipe, it was all broken, and so we put two nice pipes in the spot, and it's definitely not going anywhere. So
Clamps are a little jacked up.
it's gonna work
But
though.
this whole thing's temporary.
It's gonna
It's
work.
all temporary.
All temporary. So we're gonna throw this other one on, and we'll be good to go.
Monster truck fit, man.
Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. All right, you're good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I know a couple videos mashed up in there, and got a lot of content coming soon. Almost summer, so be ready for some good content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
So what?
No. Swag out.